Hi, I'm Raimi, and today I'm going to be cleaning out my closet and attempting to show no mercy when deciding what I'm going to keep and what I'm not going to keep. So, here she is.
We met on a summer day in June. Said you were headed on your way to Malibu. You've never been, but you always wanted.
It's a very normal person closet, honestly. It doesn't have any cool, like, custom setup drawers or, like, double hanging sticks. What is this called? Double hanging racks. It doesn't have any of that, but it does have clothes in it, and that's all that matters. I really wish it was like an aesthetic setup for you to look at, but you know, I'm gonna work my way up there. I'm gonna save my coins so I can get a cool closet, but for now, let's do this. So it's a really good thing that I'm cleaning out my closet and my dresser of all the clothes that I don't wear, clothes that don't fit me, just things that take up space, because this video is sponsored by Poshmark. I've sold so many items to you guys, and my favorite part is that I write like little handwritten notes to you guys. Whoever buys it, I just stick it in your packet, and I don't know, I am such like a note writer. I love writing notes to people that I love and support me, you guys, and Zach. You can shop from thousands of brands and save so much money with the deals I have on there. So make sure you download Poshmark with the link that's in my description, and then you can shop from my closet and your favorite brands too. Here's a little sneak peek at a bunch of the things that are on my Poshmark closet right now, and I'm going to try to make sure that they're really good prices for you guys, so if you're interested, you know what to do. And I'm sure I'm going to be adding a bunch more after I clean out this closet. This should be really refreshing, honestly, because then I can have so much more space for new clothes. I think I'm just emotional. I have a hard time letting things go because I get very attached. Just Cancer things, you know. Alright, so here's how I'm gonna do this. We have 3 piles, and there's donate, sell, and friends and family. So I'll donate anything that's maybe a gift that someone got for me but it didn't work out well, and I don't want to sell it because that's kind of mean to sell something that someone bought for you. Then there's the sell category, which would be things that I've only worn once or twice or maybe never. So things that are really good quality, that are basically brand new, those are things that I would sell. And then for friends and family, like if I have something that I know my little sister would like, I'll just hold on to it and give it to her. Alright, welcome to my closet, and I'm gonna start with just opening one side and starting like this, because if I open both of these doors, I'm gonna probably freak out and not do this. So we're just gonna start small. So basically, anything that makes me feel like, do I even wear this? Does it fit me? Do I even want it? I'm gonna take it out and decide which pile it's gonna go in, or I'm gonna keep it. We'll see, but we're supposed to show no mercy. No mercy. These bad boys. This is a cardigan, and this is just like a pullover hoodie. See that? Hoodie. And I already know that my sister's gonna want this, so I'm just gonna put it to the side for her. I never wear these. Never wear this, and is going to my sister for sure. These are Fashion Nova red joggers, and this is just not my style anymore, so I'm probably gonna sell it. Black Pretty Little Thing joggers. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I know I'm not gonna keep it because I just don't wear joggers anymore. I'm definitely more of a mom jean girl now. This one makes me sad because it's a Laura's Boutique skirt, and I'm pretty sure it doesn't fit me. Let's try it on. So this is the skirt. It's really cute. It has like 2 thigh rips, but it's just too big. Let me show you. Look at that. All of that fabric. So since I've never worn it, this goes to the sell pile. Look at that. Our first Poshmark item of the day. I'm kind of nervous because there's so many things I don't wear. I feel like I'm going to be left with like nothing. But it's okay because it's just taking space in my closet, but still it's like scary. So these 2 I'm gonna sell. This American, oh, am I? This one kind of looks not good. I think I just might give this to like friends and family. And then these are joggers that are bright purple from Dolls Kill that I've never worn, so I'm gonna sell them. I don't support Dolls Kill anymore. Please don't come for me. I already know all the tea on them, but I'm sure there's other people who would just appreciate having this for a cheap price, so I'm gonna sell it. These 3 crop tops I just don't ever wear. This is brand new pink crop top. And then this one is just see-through. It is see-through, so I don't know how this would work unless it's like a bikini cover-up. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with these. I might sell this one because I actually really think someone would like it. It's so cute. Actually, maybe I won't sell it because I actually like it a lot. I can't make this decision right now, but I don't know. So I've opened up a decide later pile since I can't make decisions right now. This romper is amazing. It's velvet and it's so pretty. It has like a crisscross back. It's from PacSun and I love it so much, but I've just worn it. I've had it for a couple years now, and I've just worn it to like 4 events. People have seen me in it. My family knows about this already, so I'm just gonna sell it because it's an amazing quality and it's really, really cute. So whoever buys this, you're gonna love it. Man, this is tough. This is my absolute favorite cropped denim jacket, but I just feel like it's done its time with me and I just have to let her go. It's really good quality, but I need to make room for other things. We have to go our own way. Jackets are hard for me because I just feel like, oh my gosh, maybe I'm gonna be somewhere cold, you know? Like, you never know when you're gonna need it. It's a cute cropped fuzzy jacket, and I'm going to Tennessee when it's like snowing, so I think I'll keep it. I just don't wear pink anymore, so this is going to friends and family. So these are 2 really cute bodysuits. This one is like all messed up on the hanger, but it's a v-neck black bodysuit, and I'm gonna donate things because it's not like in perfect condition to sell, but like I would even still wear them out, but I just don't, so I'm just gonna donate them. I didn't realize how many of my boyfriend's clothes I have in here. Babe, if you're missing most of your clothes, here they are. Okay, so this is a really freaking cute, what is this called? Hoodie. It's like a lavender hoodie and it has like a little out of this world, stay calm, pink savior, like what is this, like galaxy thing going on? I don't know. It's like, it's very cute and I just never wear it. I don't know why. It's literally, there's nothing wrong with it. I am so dumb. I don't know why I do that. I wear like the same 5 things and I have so many clothes that are perfectly fine and I just don't wear them. So I've kind of got done with like this whole section. I just need to go like back here to where all my jackets are and decide what I'm gonna do with those because I just have so many jackets for no reason. So this is like a really cute fluffy jacket and it's like nice quality. I got it from Yes Style. Oh, it says Babyface on the tag. That's like a cute brand name. It's just like this really thick hooded jacket and I've never worn it because I live in Florida, but I'm going on vacation to Tennessee, like I said, where it's going to be cold, so I'm definitely going to keep this one. This is from Cotton On. It's in perfect condition, and I'm going to sell it because I never wear it. This is from American Eagle, and I'm either going to sell it or ask my little sister if she wants it. It's just for the sake of my new wardrobe. I'm being ruthless, and I have to get rid of things that are just taking up space. So that's what I'm gonna do. So off camera, I took all of the hangers off of everything that I took out of here and I sorted them out. So far, we've gotten rid of 27 pieces of clothing, which is crazy to me. But this is just so exciting. This just means I get to buy 27 new things that I'm actually gonna wear. Now for this side of the closet. This was my homecoming dress and it is beautiful. It has like gold lace detail. And then this, can you see it? It's like a little slit on the thigh. It's really pretty. It's from Windsor and I'm always like, should I sell this or no? Because it's so cute. I think I'm gonna make the big decision and sell it. This is a really cute like pants romper and it's from Old Navy. It's really comfy and has like a stretchy back. So I think I'm gonna sell it. I already know I have to get rid of these 2 jeans because they just don't fit me at all. I've never worn this dress and it's super cute midi dress and it's like copper and glittery. I'm gonna sell this. I have this cardigan, this cheetah shirt that I've only worn once, and this American Eagle shirt that I cropped that has a lion on it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these 3, but I know I need to get rid of them because they've just been collecting dust in my closet. This is a Fila cropped hoodie and it's like so thick and beautiful, but I've never worn it, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to wear it. You guys, we're down to this last bit right here. Look at that. So this is a Forever 21 Windbreaker and it's really cute. It's like this lavender color. I'm gonna sell it. This is a denim dress. It's like mid-length and it has buttons all the way down. It's super cute, but it doesn't fit me. This is my silk robe. Definitely keeping. Donating this Forever 21 workout shirt that I never wear. And I'm definitely keeping these. I don't know what it is about them. I don't know what it is, but they just really grew on me. Love them a lot. Wow, so this is my closet after. I definitely need to organize, but like at least it's cleaned out and now I have room for more stuff. And like all back there is just hangers, so this is really good. All right, now I just need to organize the piles that I just made and then we can get started on my dresser. Welcome to my dresser, and really the only ones that are filled with clothes are these three and these two. Other than that, this one is just all of my camera stuff, and then this one and this one are both junk drawers, which is so bad, but I'll deal with that another time. I think this closet clean out has been pretty clarifying and kind of easy because a couple weeks ago I got rid of 7 garbage bags filled with clothes that I don't wear, and I just donated all of them to a women's shelter. So that's why this one is kind of just like really getting down to what really just doesn't belong in my closet, and I'm really excited because I feel like that means I can really build up my wardrobe and my style after this. So yeah, I feel like my style before was kind of like very teen-ish with like the colorful joggers and like the baby crop tops all the time, which I still do, but like in more of a cooler way, I guess. I don't know how to explain it. I'm gonna start with jeans. And no, none of these drawers are even remotely organized at all. First, I need to get rid of this bad boy, which is just my laundry bag that I use to bring my clothes to the washer. Keeping that. All right, these jeans are one of my all-time favorite jeans ever. They are PacSun mom jeans in dark wash, and I will not let go of these. And these are the same PacSun jeans, just with no rips, and they are light wash. I've just grown out of like the skinny jean phase into mom jeans because I don't know why. I just love them. Pink Pretty Little Things joggers I think I'm selling. These are like blush pink corduroy pants from PacSun, and I think I'm actually gonna keep them because I don't know what it is about corduroy pants that just tickle my heart. This one's hard because I love these two-toned jeans and they were really expensive. I'm gonna have to think on this one. This top is super cute, but as you can see, it's just so small. Like this is where your boobs go, and it's like denim and it ties in the back and it's like crisscross, but it's just too tiny on me. This is a 2-piece windbreaker and shorts set, and I'm definitely gonna sell it. It's from Laura's Boutique, and it's really, really cute. I just never wear it. These 2 tank tops I'm gonna keep. They're just like simple wife beater material. I don't know what it's called, but it has a butterfly on it and I love it. And then I just have a white one. Selling this black skirt because it's way too small on me, and this white skirt just because I never wear it. Keeping this little green and white plaid skirt because it's so cute. Then I have this skirt, I think that's what you call them. It's like shorts in the back and a skirt in the front, and it's really wrinkly right now, but it's like purple and white polka dots, and I feel like I could make a cute outfit out of this if I actually wore it, so I'm gonna give it a chance. And then keeping this red dress. And that's all for this jeans and miscellaneous items drawer. This drawer really stresses me out because it's just so many bathing suits. I think I just gotta dump it all out and just get on with it. Every single one of these is a bathing suit. Like, what? My camera's dying. This is the last drawer, and it's probably the most work that I have to do out of any of these. I cannot tell you how tired I am. I don't know what it is about going through your clothes and like making decisions and folding them, but it's a lot. Anyways, these are just my pajamas, comfy clothes, and random t-shirts. My gray sweatpants are a must keep. There's just like some pajama things that I wear all the time, like these Target pajama shorts. Definitely need them. And then like my matching sets, my matching pajama sets are like an obvious I need. Me from the past stuffed a bunch of random dresses and things that I just didn't want to fold or hang up in this drawer, which I am regretting right now because I'm so tired. Brooklyn t-shirt that I sleep in, keep. High school t-shirt, I don't think so. You guys probably don't care which pajamas or loungewear that I keep, so I am just gonna try to do this as fast as I can.
From the East Coast, California snow. You couldn't handle all the winter and the snow. So there's a lot of things you're trying to do. If you play your cards right, I might be.
I can say that I successfully cleaned out my closet, and everything that's in here and in my dresser are all things that I actually wear. I'm feeling proud, tired, and feeling an overwhelming craving for sushi. I've been really trying not to eat out, but when I do things like this, I automatically feel like I should reward myself with takeout. It's a bad habit. Thanks for coming along with me on my closet clean out. It means a lot to me that you would actually watch me like clean out my closet. Don't forget to download Poshmark with the link in my description so you can shop my closet and other brands, but like definitely my closet because I have a lot of stuff that I need to sell. Don't forget to stalk my socials down below, both my Instagrams, Twitter, and TikTok, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!